Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with Essentials. Confirm the device and app lock provider so you know which settings to change. Once ready, unlock the phone with the PIN or fingerprint and open the Shortcuts app. Make sure the specific shortcut you want to edit is visible. If it's inside a folder, tap to expand it. Now tap the three-dot menu on that shortcut to enter edit mode, because the next changes must be made inside the shortcut actions and security permissions. In edit mode, scan the action list for any step that launches the locked app or uses a URL scheme. Those are the triggers. Once found, remove the action or replace it with an indirect step, such as opening a web page or a neutral app. Next, tap the settings icon and review shortcut permissions and automations. Turn off any automation that executes without confirmation. Make sure to save the shortcut and test it once to verify the lock no longer activates. Finish by running the shortcut from Shortcuts and from any home screen shortcut to confirm the lock is removed. If the app lock still appears, temporarily disable the app lock provider or remove the shortcut and recreate it without the problematic action. Once done, clear any credential or cache the locking app may use, and then restart the device. This often resolves lingering triggers. If problems continue, re-examine each action and permission. A hidden URL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.